All right. What are we doing, Mr. Abbott?
We're extracting the hydroplane from the backyard.
And who screwed up the hydroplane?
I think it was the weather of 2000.
Yeah, or it was me who didn't keep his thing. So Rob Abbott has kindly agreed to take this vintage Elke hydroplane into his workshop and fix it for me because I'm too lazy. So that's awesome, Rob. Thank you. Okay, it's minus 26 out, and this Elke Hydro is going over to Rob Abbott's workshop to get some much needed repair. If you remember, I don't have a heated workshop, Rob does, but Rob has a really cool way of getting boats down into his basement, and I'll show you that later. But this is what happened 2 winters ago when my tent collapsed and the coaming pulled away from the decking. So Rob's going to do his magic and hopefully get it back together, and we might get it in the water. Who knows? Let's see what happens. So Rob,
Yeah.
we're at your workshop, and you've got an amazing workshop in the basement of your house. Describe this really cool system you have. And you were saying to me earlier, you put a few boats down here this way.
Yes, well, this will be the 23rd boat going into a basement. Not this basement, but all of my houses. I've done, let's say 23 out, because some of them went in as pieces.
Okay.
So,
So just very quickly, how does this system work?
it's an old, it's for barn doors, racks, sliding doors, and some chain falls, and that's it. And a few slings, and a stairway down
Rob, you need
to man heaven.
sorry. You need to lift that up just a
Okay.
All right, so well, I will stay out of your way because trouble usually follows me.